Service training is important to help the service technicians learn how to properly diagnose and repair our engines.
Our mission, or better yet, our motto is this: fix it right the first time. We want our students to learn how to diagnose problems and not just be a part swapper.
Kubota Engine Academy e-learning curriculum is the foundation for any service technician working on Kubota engines.
We offer courses in electronic diesel engines. We offer courses for WG spark-ignited engines. We offer courses on generators, and we offer courses on mechanical diesel engines.
Knowledge is power, and anywhere you can get it, and the e-learning platform is a good place to get it, that's where you get the knowledge that you're going to need in the field.
E-learning has a lot of advantages. It allows students to cover the basics at the shop or at home. It's a big advantage. There's no travel expense, there's no time away from the shop. And they prepare the student for a hands-on training. This part's absolutely necessary. You really need to touch the product in a real-world environment to cement that training.
Technicians learn by doing. Some of our other manufacturers, there's a lot of classroom time. I like Kubota's because we are out in the shop working on things. That's where the technicians really learn, and that's what they really enjoy.
We fault the engines in the most current challenges, and the students are charged with diagnosing the issue and repairing it.
I think the facilities here at KEA, both the classroom and the workshop facilities, are some of the best I've ever seen. KEA is top-notch.
VILT is a virtual instructor-led training course, and that's basically a video-based course that a service technician or a student can watch on their own on any type of platform.
We have just rolled out the Master Trainer program for our distributors. This was implemented because not every Kubota dealer has the budget to travel to the Kubota Corporate Training Center here in Lincolnshire, Illinois. Now dealers have the option of attending training through their local distributor as an option.
The support that we've received from Kubota's training department up here has been fantastic.
In the future, I see more than just service training. I see training for compliance, parts, application engineering, and even sales training, so stay tuned.